Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban kentiu ya ki kam than jingthan ki kam su jingsu bat ka Jingpyninam ya ki Jingshna ki baharukom daki kiti bat ki wei ka Ministry of Textiles kala Pynlong ya ki Jingpyninam kabalatip kum ka thematic exhibition of Indian handicraft products for the promotion of artisan of adopt cluster and artisan member of the producer companies kabala long ha all sin hall Shillong kabala sedang nadu ka khat khandai tereng ubenai naitung bat ka ban penkut hadu ka arpo pra tereng unaitung arajar arpo ar Hagate ka Jingpyninam lawan baneshim benta dagi priyo ki bana kalengkari India ki bakan thopru napo ka jilla Meghalaya Hagaba ki Jingpyninam ya kasap ka phong ka jongki da ka bashna bat Pynlong ya ki Jingshna jongki bat hagate ka Jingpyninam ki pat ba ki la ru banwan thiet ya ki te ki tiar
Keteng sanjik isi song sa kemen sa mosong dong. Kador sungguhnya kok pan sis like kini kok pilak ban pening kampanye banbu sentiu banbu kino kat dan kampanye. Kami pra aroma marahani kasih kamu sini siapa nak kamban kau ban sejak ban ya ki idai ban. Kador jangan ni fisis pa ato. Yang pun Jingshna Jingshna combination kuai pilak ban pendek kami pilak ban buso bu sentiu lene kamu sini kini yang kuai ini ban rak nak kau mengi pemotau nomor tumi musik
tumi musik
oh ini kasna teng yasna hayeng kena hayeng dan ini yasna hayeng oh nang yasna ngasa dia ram nomor ngaruh nang te habayos ti itu ngasa rap ni tanji ya kena kam te laseng ngadu mensan du po jong me pa jong temen jong adu typo.
So my name is Mayang Lambampiangamba and I'm from Manipur, Infra. We have done this kind of business stuff from our childhood, and this is our family business. Not a family business, but these crafts are made by our family, and as a part of my family, I just explore just these things to many part of the state. I mean India, part of state of India, like Arunachal, Shillong, Nagaland. Most of the time from in Nagaland and Shillong. This raw material is called konga, and it's a kind of cane, grass cane that grows in the water. And first we cultivate this one and dried it, and after that we are making this with a frame, like a wooden frame. And after that we made this weaving like pattern. And yeah, there's lots of pattern, but I brought only this two kind of pattern. Actually, this is made by one of my uncle. It is just like what to say with sew. They used to work with sew. Wood is just as simple we call it in our language from our hometown only. Okay. This also same. Some with kind of like what to say We take this kind of stuff from the market and we make this and we stick together, put together. It is quite demand in many part of India. Like we have export in Mumbai, Goa, and Shillong also, Dimapur, many part of the state.
All materials are bamboo. सभी बम्बू के बम्बू एंड जूट और सिल्क का मटेरियल होता है और ग्लू यूज़ होता है और हमारे अंडर में 1000 आर्टिशियंस है और त्रिपुरा मिला के और सब आर्टिशियंस का ही प्रोडक्ट्स है और मैं खुद एक आर्टिशियंस हूँ तो कुछ मेरा भी प्रोडक्ट्स है तो त्रिपुरा का गोल्ड बोलता है ना बैम्बू को दैट्स व्हाई गुड बिजनेस वन इज 50 I give you 40 50